Go.
Yeah. All right. So yesterday, you and the day before, you were given some jobs where you had to add some fractions together, and maybe you would have got some different kind of answers. So Max, so right here. Here we have an answer where we have 12 over 10, where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. But the denominator is super strong, so you can still hold up a bigger number. It don't matter. But we call this type of fraction an improper fraction, because usually you're taught by grade 1 the small numbers on top and the big numbers on the bottom. Okay, so sometimes we want to convert this. It's easier sometimes to convert this, so it's easier to see. We want to convert it into a mixed number. Down here we have a mixed number. We have a whole number and a fraction. So today's job is we're going to change our improper fractions into mixed numbers and our mixed numbers into improper fractions. Okay? All right?
Can you hand me my drink?
You get your drink. Yeah, here's your drink.
Yeah, coffee. Thank you.
All right, so you can do this on, once we do this, I got in grade 4, if you go to section R, do all the numbers to review. Go to grade 5, section J6 has got changing improper fractions and mixed numbers. And in grade 6, J10 is changing mixed numbers to improper fractions and mixed numbers. Okay, so check it out. Okay, so this first one up here, we have 10 and 12. So what does this mean? Well, I have pizzas that have slices of 10, but I have 12 slices. So how many whole pizzas do I have left? Well, how many 10s fit into 12? Well, you go old school division. I have 10 on the outside. How many 10s do I need to get to 12? I can get 1 without going over, and that equals 10. And if I subtract that, I have 2 remaining. So this means that my whole number is going to have this number at the top, a 1. The 10 is still on the bottom. That doesn't change. And my remainder, that goes on top. Okay? So we'll look at this one. This one got a little bit bigger. Okay? So I'm going to do my little old school division. How many times does 10 go into 42 without going over? Well, 10 times, oh, that's it, 4, that's right. 10 times 4, I put what it equals underneath. 42 minus 40 is 2 remaining. So my big number is going to be here. The 10 always stays in the bottom, that doesn't change. And then my 2 remainder, that goes to the top. So if I had 42 slices just sitting around, I could make 4 whole pizzas with 2 slices just on their own. Okay, now going the other way, going from a mixed number into an improper fraction is easier. It's really quite easy. You take this number at the bottom, and then you multiply it by the big number. So 5 times 3 is 15. And then you add 4. 15 plus 4 is 19 over 5. Five times 3 plus 4 equals 19. I can do another one here. I'll do a quick one here too. I'll do I don't know. Give me a number, a big number, Max. Not a big. 1 to 10.
9.
9. So a big 9. Okay. Give me a number between 1 to 10.
6.
6. And then give me a number of 7 to 14.
12.
12. Oh, okay. So 9 and 6, 12. So let's just be at half. But well, it doesn't matter. We'll do it this way. Okay. So we would go 12 times 9. Okay, so 12 times 9 is 108. 108 plus 6, 114. So 114 over 12. Man, we'd simplify that one in a second. This right here actually is equal to, I'm going to do this because it's bugging me. This is actually equal to 9.5. So this is actually equal to, if I go 9 times, it's 18, plus 1 is 19 over 2. So if I simplify this, I guess if I divide this by 6 and this by 6, I'm going to get 19 over 2. All right, so here's your job today. On this first page, On this first page, I have all mixed numbers, starting with the easy ones, right? Multiply. I'll do a little thing here, a little multiply, add. All right, boom, boom, okay. And so I've multiplied, so these are all just mixed numbers. They're called mixed numbers because they have a whole number and a fraction. They're mixed together. And then here we are changing from to a mixed number where we have improper fractions where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. And we are going to convert them into a mixed number. Okay?
Not focusing.
It's not focusing. It's okay. We'll take a picture and we'll put it on Instagram for both of these. And remember to go and check out IXL, guys. And I'll see you in a bit at 11 o'clock.
All right.
Bye.